Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Marissa Fashionista 101 and today I'm going to be showing you another thrift haul. So today's thrift haul, I'm super excited to show you. I found these items and I just fell in love with them and I got it for very affordable prices. And a lot of them are vintage pieces. So I just cannot wait to show you. And also this thrift store that I bought it from is like this local family owned business. So this thrift store is not the most organized, but you can find some really cool hidden gems in there if you really dig in there and look. I always enjoy going in there because you just never know where you're gonna find, which is kind of nice. It's nothing like Savers or the Deseret. I feel like those stores are a lot bigger and they have more like storage to like store their items, and it just looks nicer. But this thrift store is nothing like where I've been, but I love it. It's just so cool and I just love finding stuff in there. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I'm gonna show you my first item. This is like the item that I just like love. This is actually like a little doll. So I don't buy many dolls, but like when I find like a cute one and it doesn't look creepy, I will purchase it. My husband has like a fear of dolls, so I try not to buy any like creepy big ones just because I know how he is. And I know this one won't freak anyone out just because it's so innocent looking, but it's this. It's so cute. It's so darling. And it has little wings in the back. Like, how cute is that? And she's wearing like a little like flower crown. Well, it's actually her hair, but it's like a little halo kind of thing. But it's so adorable. It's so darling. And it's got like this pretty like red hair. And I don't know, I just love this doll. It's so cute. And the reason I like picked it out was because I just love fairies and I have a thing for fairies. I've always wanted to be like some princess or even a fairy. Like that's just something every little girl wanted to be. But yeah, I just really want to pick some really cool like fantasy pieces and add it to this room. I think it will lighten up the mood and make it very like you don't have to go back to reality. But yeah, so it's very darling and I love the green dress with this. It's just so sweet and innocent. And it says it's made in China, so I don't think it's real vintage, but I thought it was a really nice addition to this room. And I did get this for $3. Okay, so this other item, I really thought it was cute. It's just like a little vase. It's really cute. You can tell it's old. So I'm not sure like who made this or what brand or whatever. I don't know. It's just a glass like little vase. I thought it looked very like Victorian like and I just really thought it was cute. And I really want to find like a cute vintage flower to like go in here and put it on this little like table right here so I could showcase how cute it looks. But yeah, so I don't know, it's just nothing too special, but I thought it was cute. And I think what I like is just the style. It's just different because a lot of vases are normally like more like wider on the bottom versus like this is more longer on the top and then it kind of goes out from the bottom. But yeah, it's just different. And I got this for $1. So this next item I really just love. It's definitely more of a Victorian kind of style, but yeah, let me show you. It's a mirror. Look at that. You guys can see. It's very cute. But yeah, This caught my eye, this little floral design. It's very, very beautiful. It doesn't say like where it's made or who made it or what brand. Like, I really, really just fell in love with it. You can tell it's like fabric under here, and it's like this embroidered or like stitch design. It's very, very beautiful. It's just like so different. I love this. I love mirrors like this, vintage mirrors. And it just has this really cute design right here. Like, what's not to love? Yeah, it's just fantastic. And then I did get this for $3. And also, I used to have a mirror like this a long time ago, but it was like all silver. And I used to love that mirror, and I don't know what happened to it. So I got myself one. It's like gold. Oh, it's just so pretty. Sorry, you can see. I hope I'm not blinding anybody, but yeah. So next item was something I really wanted to add to this room, like flowers. And they're just these really pretty, like vintage. I don't even know what they're called, but they're just like, you could just add them right here on the table just to add decoration. But yeah, it's kind of dusty. I still have to like clean it. As you can see, it's very dusty. It's gonna make me sneeze, but I don't know. I gotta clean it up and make it really nice and extra clean, just so nobody's like going crazy with sneezing. But it looks kind of messy, but I'm gonna fix it up a little bit, freshen it up and make it look prettier. But yeah, I just thought it was pretty because you don't find a lot of vintage like little flowers like this at the stores. I know Joann's and Michael's may have some, but a lot of them are more of like other types of flowers. But I just like the way these look. I think this will make this room a lot more vintage and a lot more just beautiful. And I just love the colors. And I did get like, I think 50 cents each, so it was like $1 for these two. So I thought that was a good deal. The lady that was helping me, she was super nice about the prices. So like when you bring up the items, she kind of told you like, oh, this is how much this, and then she's like, is it okay if I sell this for $2 or whatever? So like you kind of like she made up the prices as she was bringing them up. But I don't care, like, you know, it's kind of like a garage sale basically, but in a store, which I thought I got a super good deal on most of these items, so I didn't have a problem with it. Okay, so next item is this really, really pretty artwork right here. I thought it was so pretty. I don't know who made this, but I know a lot of people do this nowadays, like this really pretty like detailing here, and it's with like little cording or stitching. So it's yarn. I know it's yarn. But yeah, they do these really pretty designs. I just fell in love with this. It's so cute. The back looks kind of crazy, but this is how I bought it. I didn't really have a problem with this because I'm going to hang it up anyways. But I just thought this was so beautiful. Like, whoever did this, you did beautiful. And I love the butterfly. And I thought this would match perfectly with the fairy because, hello, butterfly is wings. And she has wings, so it just makes it very feminine and girly. It's just so cute. But yeah, I just love the colors. And then I got this item for $2. So it was such a good deal. I mean, I thought it was cute. Okay, so last item that I found is this really cool vintage phone, and it has the little cording right here. Oh my goodness, I got a super good deal on this. I feel like she sold it for me for such a good deal. I got this for $5, and I am not sure how old this is. Okay, so it does not say like when it was made, but I mean, come on, that's pretty cool. It doesn't spin, but it's just like this really cool like design, and it's almost like a gold. No, I wouldn't say gold. It's almost like a light gold color. It's just very, very pretty. I love it. It's so cute. I've always wanted a vintage phone. So I'm going to hang it up somewhere in here because I think it'll look so pretty with this in here. And the buttons, you could tell, look old. Like it's kind of like an off yellow color. But yeah, it's just, look at that. So pretty. Oh, hello, darling. Are you going to be coming home soon? Okay, I will get the dinner ready. Bye. I don't know. But I just thought it was so pretty. But yeah, it's got to get cleaned a little bit. You know, it's a little dirty here and there, but I have to wipe it with the rag or whatever and it'll be all good. But yeah, so I took off the other little thing that connects, you know, to make the phone work. I detached it because when I hang it up, I don't want to have all these extra cording on it. So it's just going to have this pretty, you know, this phone corded connected to it. So yeah, I really wanted to have an item that's definitely, you know, old. You know, the thing about this room, I really want to, like, it's almost gonna be like a little old, like, museum kind of type of thing. Like, you're just gonna find a lot of cool vintage pieces in here and people could look around. People as in like my family or, you know, friends that come over. I just want to like showcase a room where it's different, you know, nothing like the other rooms, because I have other rooms that are not super like creative or whatever, but this room is just going to be cool and it's just going to be like a museum, a mini museum. So yeah, hopefully over the years I can like collect a bunch of items and just make it super fun in here for the people that also come over. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed that little thrift haul. I know it's not a lot of stuff, but I think each item is so cool and so fun to like look at. And I feel like each item kind of has its own like history, I'm sure. And I hope to see you guys in my next video and see you soon. Bye.